Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you're all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this very simple and very beautiful tie knot, and by using this tie knot we are making this very simple planter. So let's get started. Here I'm using 8 cords and these are 80 inches in length, and I attach them here by the help of larks knot. Now just pick this cord, take the 2 cords together and this cord and wrap this like this, and then behind this. So we have a number 6 here, and this cord is passing through the loop of number 6. Now just tie this like this. Keep the symmetry of ropes, and then you will do the same here. Pick the cord and just wrap it around this cord, and then behind from this cord make number 6 and then pull it above and keep it in a same row. This is a tie knot and this is a very easy knot, but it will result in a very beautiful planter which we are making here. So this is what we are going to do here, continuing on. So when you reach to this point, when you made these 3 tie knots here, 1, 2 and 3, pick the central cords here, keep them aside, keep them aside, keep them aside, and make a square knot here. Leaving 4 inches of distance, make a square knot by using this tie knot. Now pick the left and right cords, and by balancing this or a little down, you can make just a little down a square knot here. Like this. Now pick these 2 and these 2. Turn these cords like this. These cords are coming like this, you have to turn them like this and make square knot. Similarly, pick these and pick these 2 and turn them like this and make a square knot. this. Now pick your front and put it aside. Make square knots here by using these side cords like this. So we have this downwards and this is upward. Now just pick these two cords and these two cords and make a square knot here. In this way we will close this little basket which we just made for this planter. And now pick these two and behind these two and make a square knot like this. And after making this a square knot, once it's done, you could then make a gathering knot under this pocket like this. You have this pocket now. Now you can just gather these and then just trim it in. So we just completed our project today. I hope you love this very simple and beautiful planter. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next tutorial, please take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.